This method is pretty unorthodox, and it is definitely going to pat back at me, but oh well. Just want to give it a little juice, get it flowing. I have a love-hate with this vacuum because you gotta empty it out so damn much. Do have some algae up in this pan here. Let's see if the filter is destroyed. Yeah, we'll have to get this changed out for them. Spray our algae treatment in here. Just get everything nice and loosened up. Make sure it all goes down the drain properly. There we go. Dates on your filters. Today's 6/10. New filter. Boom.